dismissed. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Monmouth County in central New Jersey until 3 p.m. At 2:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Holdall, or 10 miles west of Long Branch, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Long Branch, Middletown, Marlboro, Manalapan, Teton Falls, Holdall, Red Bank, Keensburg, Methuen, Highlands, East Freehold, Robertsville, Yorktown.
Rivals, the Abbasids, in